Hello friends. So we all know what's happening in the market. So let's look at the broader market index analysis. So if you look at Nifty 50 on a weekly chart, so we are seeing sharp correction happening on this 24,400 level. So currently the price is reacting from 24,400 levels. On the daily chart, we already saw some kind of a reactions happening very strongly. So that means this zone, the current zone looks you know interesting to go for long, and this is a good zone to accumulate quality stocks at a cheaper price. See, once in a while, these kind of opportunity we get. It doesn't happen very frequently, but we will get this kind of opportunity once in a while. So what I'm looking at is I'm planning to enter, or in other words, I'm planning to accumulate good quality large cap and mid cap stocks at the good levels of zones. On the daily flows, if you look at the daily cash flows of index, so we see this kind of cash flows happening into the stocks. Particularly if you look at from 24th February, the DIs are completely absorbing the all the sell orders. So they are accumulating a big time. This is what is happening, and on the open interest also, open interest. If you look at the open interest, lot of put rating is happening. So that means market does not want to go further. So that's what this OA is showing. See, if I look at from February, continuously put rating is heavily happening. Then call rating. So overall, the index trend obviously it's a downtrend, but the OA is convincing very much on a longer run. So currently the trade it's actually neutral to long, but we can also look for the long opportunity, but definitely it will work only for the long run. It's not for a trading opportunity. Currently we don't have any trading opportunity because we know the uncertainties happening in the market. So we don't want to take any risk on going long or short. Rather we can look this market into buying opportunities for wealth creations of good quality stocks at a cheaper price. So I don't think so. We will get some good trading opportunity. This is not applicable for any intraday or swing trading. This is definitely will work only for the long run. If you are planning to buy good quality stocks at a cheaper price, this is the time that you can probably look for pick up your favorite stocks at a cheaper price. On the Bank Nifty, interestingly, Bank Nifty actually already is getting reacted from this level 58,365 levels. So this level we already got a last time. If you look at from this level, we got a this much move, right? So almost we got a 3,800 points. That is a 6.62% in 17 days. So that means when price comes to again to the same level, we might also see some kind of a pullback on the upside. So this is only applicable for the long term purpose, does not apply to the intraday or short term trades. So we don't have any trading setup as of now on the current environment of the market conditions due to uncertainties. What's happening in the market, we all aware of it. So on the investment side, definitely this is the best opportunity to enter the good quality stocks at a cheaper price. And if you look at the FI data on the index option, if you look at completely put rating is happening. That's we already discussed. So this is the data. So you see call rating is very less, put rating is continuously is heavy. So it actually it's convincing that the market does not want to go drastically further. So there are a lot of put rating is happening. The put rater will ensure the market will not go further. So because if you look at the numbers, it's a very heavy numbers on the put writing side. So that means the big players does not want market to go further down. So this is the opportunity. Even if you look at the broader market, like same data, it will more graphically showing, and I see same kind of pattern is happening continuously last 30 days. You see, not even single day the call rating is higher. Every day the put rating is happening very heavily. So that means market does not want to go very deep. Okay. So in other words, we can also make use of this opportunity to enter the long side on the purpose of building the portfolio on your favorite stocks at a cheaper price. So that's all for the analysis for today.